Alright YouTube, so the video we've got today is there's two particular shapes that I want to show you that seem suspicious to me. There's one shape and then another part that's actually made up of two shapes, so I'll see what you think. So obviously we've got the surface of the moon here, all the various craters and lines, and there's so much detail in this image. Actually you could pick apart loads of parts. But the two things I want to show you is this, which is fairly square in shape, very odd. I don't know what to make of it really. I don't know what would create a square shape on the surface of the moon. You know, looking at it in amongst, you know, round craters everywhere. Lots of round craters everywhere. And then there is this square shape, which seems kind of out of place. Obviously another sort of square shaped part there as well, but in amongst, you know, circles and or mostly circular anyway. So yeah, there's this square shape with the couple of small holes in the middle, not in the middle, in the sides. The second shape is actually made up of two shapes, is what I noticed, but initially is this, which is sort of, if you look at, let me make it a little bit smaller so you can see exactly what I'm on about. It's like a triangle shape. I think it looks triangle. A very peculiar shape, see, on the surface of the moon is a triangle. And if we focus to the bottom of that triangle, which is actually here, right in the centre, there's actually a square shape with a circle in the middle. Really bizarre. I don't know what to make of it. I think there's going to be more editing on this photo to try and bring it up more, bring it closer, to see if we can make anything out. I personally think this one particularly looks like a structure. I actually think that square part is the top, and then as it goes down, that you're actually seeing it going down. But it's obviously you've got that circle part of the crater, but again, things can be camouflaged, and it depends on the lighting and how we're seeing it, different angles, but yeah, definitely bizarre. Like I say, we've got this one, which is a very bizarre shape. When you look at it in context, I know we have that part there, but in context to everything else around it, which is circular, we do have strange lines and things, but mostly circular. This is incredibly square in shape compared to everything around it. So that's my video for today, and two very suspicious markings, structures, whatever you want to call it, on the surface of the moon. As always, comment, say what you think. I'd love to hear people's opinions. Maybe they spot other things on here that I haven't seen. I do think there's other stuff on here that I could pick apart and try and interpret. But yeah, as always, cheers YouTube.